This is my wonderful Amazon parrot. And she's so cute. Yeah, parrots like, well, this one likes to be pet on the head. Yeah, she likes to be pet and scratched. But then she can be kind of, yeah, she can be kind of difficult sometimes. Come on, come on. Yeah. But their claws have to be on something so they feel secure. So that's why I have the stick here. Baby, I think it's like the 23rd or 24th or 5th of February, something like that, 2016. So, but yeah, she's pretty sweet. Yeah, she's a little huggy. She's my very, very first parrot ever. Huh. Ever. Don't normally have a parrot like that, huh?